Hello traders, today we are covering FundedNext new add-on features. This will be a quick tutorial, so make sure to stick until the end. With these new add-ons you can literally customize your trading account in many different ways. But before that, you can now try the FundedNext trading environment for free. Sign up for our unlimited free trial account and test out the FundedNext trading environment for yourself. So, there are currently 3 add-ons we are offering. First up, the 95% lifetime payout. Adding this to your challenge will cost you 10% extra and you will get 95% profit split right from the start. If you were aiming to increase the profit splits on your FundedNext accounts the normal way before, this add-on will save you a lot of time. The second add-on we are offering is the no minimum trading days add-on. Let's say you manage to pass a phase in one single day. With this add-on you can skip the waiting process and proceed to your next phase immediately. And last but not least, the 150% refund add-on. This one is very self-explanatory. With the 150% refund add-on, when you pass your challenge, you will get back half more than what you paid for. Alright, we got to the end of this video. Head over to FundedNext, select your challenge and try the new add-ons yourself. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned because much more is coming.